All right, up next, we have the Poly for the Framework of the Year. Frameworks empower developers to rapidly prototype and build out complete experiences. The same way low-level code like WebGL can be abstracted to JavaScript, frameworks allow JavaScript developers to build applications with easier syntax, reusable components, and customizable modules. Most of the experiences we're recognizing here today are built using a framework. And to present the Framework of the Year award, please welcome Sikaar Keita, XR Lab Leader at Oracle and WebXR developer. Welcome, Sikaar. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks, Julie. As you said, we wouldn't have these WebXR experiences we are celebrating today if it weren't for frameworks. This is a category where even saying of the year doesn't do justice to the influence that frameworks have and will have on the creation of WebXR experiences. Three.js isn't nominated here, but we don't have an of the decade award, but its impact is so profound that we gave its creator, Mr. Doob, a Lifetime Achievement Award. Indeed, many frameworks leverage Three.js. Frameworks make coding efficient by reducing redundant work. We created this category to recognize frameworks, but there are so many more. There are many frameworks and models evolving every day, and there are many in the works we don't know about yet. These nominees are picked to give special thanks for the effort it took to build and the impact it has on the community. We encourage developers to explore all the great repos that are powering WebXR. These 4 nominees are only a starting point. And the nominees for Framework of the Year are Troika by Johnston. Troika began as a data visualization library for ProtectWise that was then open sourced. Johnston is actively maintaining this framework with the component architecture to make it easy for developers to build rich front-end experiences in 2D that also go immersive. Notably, Troika innovates on how text is presented in WebXR, and Troika text and integrated as a module into our other frameworks, including our next nominee, A-Frame by Super Medium, Diego Marcos, Kevin No, Don McCurdy, and over 300 contributors. A-Frame began as Mozilla in 2015 to make it possible to build first WebVR and now WebXR experiences using declarative markup, in other words, HTML. Now A-Frame is maintained by Supermedium, and it has become one of the most popular ways to build an immersive scene with very little code or experience with WebXR, which is why it is used by over 3,500 projects to make experiences that also run on desktop, mobile, and headsets, all with the same code. BabylonJS, Don Catuhe, and over 300 contributors. BabylonJS is a popular open source rendering engine and JavaScript framework that provides a toolkit to build performance immersive experiences. Babylon has support for physically based rendering, enhanced lighting, and support for integration with React Native. BabylonJS is used in almost 2,500 projects. Pluto Multi-App Integration Toolbox by Pluto. Pluto provides a suite of tools for immersive developers, including Aardvark, which allows developers to create gadgets using React component, but actually compiled to OpenVR, not WebXR. Metachromium is a WebXR browser that runs on the Steam platform, and the suite also includes the Sandcastle Special First framework, Chimera, and XR packages.